to a journey into the mystical realm of Google Keyboard. Today, we're about to uncover the hidden secrets, the tricks up its sleeve, and the shortcuts that will transform the way you interact with your device. Get ready to be amazed as we dive deep into the world of Google Keyboard tricks. Imagine a keyboard that's not just a tool for typing, but a gateway to a world of efficiency, productivity, and sheer delight. Google Keyboard, the unsung hero of your digital life, has more tricks than a magician's hat. So, grab your virtual wands and let's cast some spells. If you are writing something anywhere, select your text and click on Caps Lock. It will make your first word capital. And if you want to make all words capital, double tap on Caps Lock, and your all words will be bigger. If you are writing hello whatever, and if you want to delete any word from a sentence, you need to scroll on the spacebar, and now you can delete any word. Now are an emojis trend, and with the Google Keyboard, you can create any emoji. To make an emoji, click here, then click on Sticker section, and click on Emoji. Now you need to select to emoji, and it will mix them, and you can use your made emoji.